How to make a Pinterest account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make a Pinterest account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically make a Pinterest account, all you have to do is first of all download the Pinterest app or go to pinterest.com, open it up, and you're going to see this type of interface. Now what you can do is, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address that you want to use with your Pinterest application here, and once you have done that, you just have to tap the continue option. Then basically it says you to create a password, so all you have to do is also go ahead and then make sure to create a password. Once you create a password, you can tap on the next option, verify your email and your password, and your Pinterest account will get successfully created. Or what you can actually do is you can continue with your Facebook or your Google account for easy access, and you don't have to enter any details, just link with them directly and then your Pinterest account will get successfully created. That's all it takes to make a Pinterest account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.